I know you guys just watched that video, but we're going to review a little bit of what was talked about. So remember that the two sides of the triangle that form our 90-degree angle, these are called legs. And we can label them A and B. Doesn't matter which side you label A or B, as long as it's both of them that form the right angle. Our longest side of the right triangle is always called the hypotenuse, and we label that as C. So keep that in mind as we go and look at some more examples. This, which was in the video, and you guys have done it on your own, is when you have the two different squares that you use to create a right triangle, where the area of this one is equal to the area of the smaller two. And so we get our formula of a squared, because that represents the area of this square, plus b squared, which represents the area of the second one, and that will equal c squared, which is our area of the larger square. So let's put it into action. Example number 1. I'm going to label my triangle A, B, and C. Next, what you always need to do is write your formula out. And if you can't remember it, it's on your reference material sheet. And now let's plug in what we know. I know A is 12, so 12 squared, plus B, which is 9, 9 squared, will equal C squared. 12 squared is 144, 9 squared is 81, and that will all equal C squared. When you combine 144 and 81, you get 225 is equal to C squared. But we don't want C squared, I just want C. So to undo something being squared, we take the square root. So I get that C is equal to the square root of 225. And when you put that in your calculator, you get that C is equal to 15. So the length of our hypotenuse right here is 15. All right, let's look at example 2. Again, I have my sides A and B, and I'm missing C. So write your formula. And then let's plug in what we know. I know that A is 10, so 10 squared plus B, which is 24 squared, will equal C squared. In my calculator, I know that 10 squared is 100, and then 24 squared is 576. And all of that will equal C squared. 100 plus 576 is 676, and that will equal C squared. But again, I don't want C squared, I just want C. So I will take the square root of both sides. And that gives us 26. So the length of my hypotenuse is 26.